Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website with GeneratePress. First, you'll need to secure good web hosting and a domain name. Once that's set, install WordPress on your hosting platform. Then, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, and add GeneratePress. Activate it, and you're ready for the next steps in building your site. Now, let's make your site look great. Head to the WordPress customizer to control your site's appearance. Here, you can easily change colors, fonts, and overall layout. GeneratePress offers extensive options to fine-tune every detail. For a faster start, consider importing one of their pre-built starter sites, which provides a solid design framework to build upon. With your design in place, it's time to add your content. Use the intuitive WordPress block editor to create new pages and posts. You can easily add text, images, videos, and more. Organize your site effectively by creating custom menus and assigning categories to your posts. This helps visitors navigate your website smoothly and find what they need. Before going live, enhance your site with essential plugins. Consider tools for search engine optimization and robust security. Optimize your images and overall site performance to ensure fast loading times for your visitors. Finally, take time to thoroughly review every page and feature. Once you're confident, it's time to launch your new GeneratePress website to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.